Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data from your phone to your laptop. First, connect your phone to your laptop using a USB cable. On your phone, select the File Transfer or MTP option. Your laptop's File Explorer will then display your phone's storage. You can easily drag and drop files, such as photos or documents, directly between the two devices. This method is reliable and generally offers fast transfer speeds, especially for larger files, ensuring your data moves efficiently. Next, let's explore wireless transfer using Bluetooth. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on both your phone and laptop. Then, pair your devices through your laptop's Bluetooth settings, selecting your phone from the available options. To send files, use the Share option on your phone and choose Bluetooth. On your laptop, accept the incoming files. While convenient for smaller items like a few photos or contacts, Bluetooth typically offers slower speeds, around 2.1 megabits per second, compared to wired connections. Cloud services offer another excellent way to move data. Upload your desired files from your phone to a cloud platform such as Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Once uploaded, access the same cloud service on your laptop, either through a web browser or a dedicated desktop application. From there, you can easily download the files directly to your laptop. This method requires a stable internet connection, but provides the flexibility to access your data from anywhere, anytime, across multiple devices. Finally, consider Wi-Fi Direct or third-party applications for quick, local transfers. Wi-Fi Direct allows devices to connect directly without a router, offering speeds up to 250 megabits per second for large files. Alternatively, install popular file transfer apps like ShareIt or Zender on both your phone and laptop. These apps guide you through creating a connection, often using a QR code, to facilitate rapid data exchange. These are particularly useful for transferring large volumes of data without needing an internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.